Hey folks, I want to show you how easy it is to do prompt chaining in Copilot. And I also want to show you how easy it is to share those prompts so other people can benefit. Now, imagine you're rolling on to a new project and you really don't know where anything is or what it does. And I want to create a prompt that tells me, maybe in this main source folder, what the purpose is of each of these subfolders. Now I've created that prompt and I've just put the prompt up on GitHub. And this is the prompt overview. And essentially says it needs an input folder, and this prompt tells Copilot to call the next 3 prompts. And these prompts can actually write out files that the next prompt reads. For instance, this first prompt builds a YAML file with every single subfolder in the primary folder I'm trying to understand. That YAML file is read by the next prompt, which looks at inside every subfolder and tries to figure out what kind of files in it, what that subfolder is all about. And then the last prompt collects all of those generated markdown files that describe each subfolder and makes a quick little overview in the primary folder that I'm trying to get information about. And it's just amazing to me that Copilot, I can kind of program with these prompts, prompt chain, but like use one file to write inputs use one prompt to write inputs for the next prompt. It's amazing. So all I need to do to run this, all I need to do is copy this prompt here and open up Copilot and paste what I want to be read. So run, I'm just going to point it at the GitHub project and tell it to run the folder overview prompts on my source folder here. Let's hit enter. And it's going to do all of this. So it's going to write it out into this temp folder here. You can see here, first step, find all the paths. And now it's going to create a markdown file for each of these subfolders. So you see here, it's created my assets markdown file. Sometimes you'll have to hit the continue button. Now you can see here it's created a markdown file overview for each subfolder, and it's going to create the overall README here. And it finally created the master README. And if I do Command-Shift-V, I can see that all nice here. So this just blows my mind to be able to almost program in these prompts and to be able to share them with other people. So let me know if you've done this technique before, if you've made amazing prompts. Thanks, and keep innovating.